Alaska is the third least populous state in the US, with a population of just over 731,000 people. Located in the northwest corner of North America, Alaska is known for its rugged landscapes, rich natural resources, and small towns. It is the single biggest state by land area, making it the least densely populated state on this list. It's a great destination for outdoor enthusiasts, with plenty of opportunities for hiking, fishing, and skiing. Alaska is home to a number of stunning natural wonders, including the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights, Denali National Park, and the Kenai Fjords National Park. I hope I said that right. Alaska is home to vast expanses of untouched coastal and continental wilderness. The state is also home to a number of small towns and villages, each with its own unique character and charm. Alaska's largest city is Anchorage, with a population of just under 300,000.